Experience the end-to-end integration technology developed to keep the command center and the field interconnected, with the ability to deploy the right response for every incident. Connect first responders, dispatchers, and analysts to the same critical intelligence. See how tomorrow's traffic stop works today, powered by Motorola's public safety software solutions. Now when an officer pulls a vehicle over, he no longer needs to call dispatch to query license plates. He can simply use Motorola Solutions mobile records to get the latest information from CAD, as well as from local, state, public, and federal databases. His query reveals that the driver has an associated misdemeanor warrant. As soon as the officer exits his car, his body-worn camera automatically starts recording the scene, with an option to allow dispatch to listen in when necessary. With GPS enabled on the two-way radio, dispatch can track the officer on foot using CAD. The incident escalates. The officer spots a gun in the front seat of the vehicle and draws his own weapon. His holster's Bluetooth sensor instantly alerts dispatch, without the officer having to take his eyes off the situation or his hands off of his gun. Using that information, dispatch quickly selects and assigns nearby units for backup and creates a geofence so they can communicate and gather the latest details in the same talk group. Tactical support is strengthened with real-time video streaming from a nearby street camera. The analyst monitors the situation in real time, takes and shares pictures of the suspect, the scene, and the environment, and deploys the data to responding units, equipping them with the critical information before arriving on the scene. In resolving the arrest, the officer completes his report right after the incident, instead of waiting until the end of the shift. He adds his narrative and confirms pre-populated information pulled from previous records before submitting his report. The detective managing the case finds everything she needs within one integrated platform. She can easily access the case folder, add new information, and review all documents and evidence. With just a few clicks, the detective is able to securely send the case folder to the DA's office in one complete package. That's how your command center gains instant field awareness and helps you deploy the right response. Automate and unify the flow of intelligence from call to case closure with the only suite of public safety software made to streamline data from start to finish.